Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your thumbnail stand out or pop out, and yeah, let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to click here, click curves, and you just want to go down to the bottom, bring it down, and you just want to bring the darks down a bit, and then you want to bring the whites up. Now next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up the brightness and contrast. Bring the brightness up. I don't really mess with the contrast. I mean, you can if you want, if it looks good. Next thing I do is I bring up the hue and saturation up to about to when the skin starts getting reddish. So bring it to about there. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, you can add another thing, which is photo filter, then change the filter to cooling like that. And yeah, that's just basically it. I'm going to show you guys the before and the after. The curves really brings it out a bit, then the rest is just there. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.